Let's take a look at a couple of the last GMB bodies. 1990 Chevy Caprice and 1996 Chevy Impala SS. The B-body platform spans over 70 years, originally only made for Oldsmobiles and Buicks. In 1958, with all Chevy A-bodies moving to the B-body platform, it became GM's base model. The Chevy Caprice debuted as a trim package, RPO code Z18, for the Impala four-door hardtop in 1965 and receiving its own nameplate the following year, becoming Chevrolet's top-of-the-line full-size model and eventually becoming one of GM's best-selling models. In 1973, all Caprice models added Classic to their nameplate, and in 1977, with the third generation, the Caprice Classic will undergo a huge restyling and downsizing, which led to the 1977 models becoming the best-selling car in the U.S., even beating out the previous generation full-size Caprice Classic, which was the third best-selling in the U.S. It was a hit, with Motor Trend awarding it the Car of the Year. 1977 models included a two-door sedan, four-door sedan, and two- and three-seat station wagons, with two-door models being available in either a sport coupe or Landau, which features a half-vinyl roof. The 1980 model year received another restyling to improve the aerodynamics and fuel economy. 1983 model year two-door sedans was dropped. The Pontiac Parisian debuted in Canada, which is a Chevy Caprice with Pontiac Parisian emblems. Two-door models returned in the U.S. in '84 due to low sales numbers. In 1986, with GM focused on the new front-wheel drive H platform, all other B-body sedans had been downsized and moved to the H platform or discontinued, leaving the Chevy Caprice as the only sedan on the B-body platform until the 1990 model year. With the Chevy Caprice success, a police package was introduced in 1986. They replaced the popular Chevy Impala. The 1986 model year also saw the next exterior restyling with a new smaller grille with vertical chrome divider bars that replaced the previous egg crate grille. The front fascia was also restyled with a new Brougham four-door sedan joining the lineup. Caprice Classic Brougham, and Caprice Classic Brougham LS was all offered as a trim level for the 1987 model year, giving buyers plenty of options to choose from. The Sport Coupe was dropped in 1988 due to low sales. The 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 became standard in 1989, with the 4.3-liter V6 only being available on taxis and police packages. It's also the introduction to throttle body fuel injections on the B-body platform. 1990 was the last year of the third generation B-body, with the production ending in late 1989. Let's start her up. Fire right up. The fourth generation B-body debuted in early 1990 for the 1991 model year, with a completely new restyled body and interior. The drivetrain and chassis mostly remained the same from the previous generation. Two trim levels was offered, Caprice and Caprice Classic, replacing all other Classic and Brougham models. Motor Trend awarded the Caprice Classic Domestic Car of the Year in 1991. I was born in 1990, and these cars are what I seen growing up in the South and Alabama, mostly G-bodies, B-bodies, and old body style trucks, or OBS for short. Riding in one of these cars or trucks is quite an experience. It's something about riding in a body-on-frame car, something you just don't get from today's unibodies. 1991 through 93, the Caprice would only have three engine options: a 4.3-liter V6 for taxis, a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 for base sedans. It wouldn't be till the 1993 model year that the 350 cubic inch 5.7-liter V8 would be available on the 1993 Caprice LTZ, which was already available on the 91 and 92 9C1 police package and all station wagons. 1994, the Caprice received two new engine options, base engine being a 263 4.3-liter V8 for improved fuel economy, and a optional detuned 350 cubic inch 5.7-liter V8 LT1 Corvette engine. In 1994, the Chevy Impala SS started production. basically a high-performance version of the Caprice that shared most of its parts with the 9C1 police package, which included a high-output electrical system, sport-tuned suspension, dual exhaust, four-wheel disc brakes, and reinforced shocks and springs. 1994 models only came in black. Dark gray green and dark cherry metallic was added the following year. Let's start her up and see how she runs. Fire right up. As y'all can see, she got a little over 11,000, guys. They came standard with another detuned 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 L21 Corvette engine. Differences being the Corvette engine received a 4-bolt main block and aluminum cylinder heads with a high performance cam versus the Impala's 2-bolt main block and cast iron cylinder heads with a camshaft designed for low end torque. The Impala SS also came standard with a limited slip differential with 308 gears. They had body-colored trim, rear deck spoiler, single bar grille, leather bucket seats with SS embroidered headrests, center console, and leather-wrapped steering wheel. The fourth generation B-Body Caprice did not hold on to the high annual sales numbers that the previous third generation did. The Impala SS became quite popular, selling 6,303 the 1994 model year due to an alleged wheel shortage. 21,434 sold in 1995 and 41,941 being sold in 1996. A Caprice SS identical to the Impala SS was imported to the Middle East. Unfortunately, this would be the last year of the GMB body-on-frame platform, with the last Impala SS being produced December 13th, 1996. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all have a good one.